Hey everyone, welcome to Be Healthy Daily, where today's super exciting and fun episode is all about diving into the world of dental health. Ever wondered about that stubborn pale yellow stuff on your teeth, known as tartar? Well, guess what? Here on Be Healthy Daily, I'm going to reveal the best home remedy to not only get rid of tartar, but also prevent it from coming back. So what exactly is tartar? It's this calcified, hard growth that clings to your teeth and sneaks into your gums, leading to issues like gingivitis and bad breath. Tartar is actually a colony of bacteria living in a slime that eventually hardens. These microorganisms are all about survival, forming biofilms. Think of the slimy stuff you feel on rocks in a stream. These biofilms aren't just bacteria. They're a party of fungi, yeast, and candida too. And boy, do they love carbs. Now these bacteria ferment carbs in your mouth, releasing lactic acid, which makes your mouth acidic. This acid can leach calcium and cause cavities. But don't worry, here on Be Healthy Daily, I've got you covered with an amazing DIY anti-tartar toothpaste that's both effective and natural. Back in the day, even the ancient Egyptians had their version of toothpaste, using ingredients like ox hoof ashes and burned eggshells. The Greeks and Romans had their own recipes too, but let's just say they were a bit too abrasive for our modern tastes. So, here's a gentle yet powerful formula you can make at home. Start with clove oil, peppermint oil, cinnamon oil, or a pinch of turmeric. Add about 1.25 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. Fun fact, your body naturally produces hydrogen peroxide to fight microbes. Next up, baking soda. And no, it's not too gritty. In fact, it's much less abrasive than regular toothpaste and helps neutralize mouth acids. Finally, a touch of either raw or manuka honey for their anti-biofilm properties. Just a little though, we don't want it too sweet. Mix these with half a cup of water and there you have it, your homemade tartar-fighting toothpaste. Use this twice a day with a soft bristle toothbrush and say goodbye to tartar buildup. And hey, as a bonus tip, check out vitamin K2. There's some buzz about it possibly inhibiting tartar formation. And remember, Be Healthy Daily is all about sharing the best tips for your health and wellness. If you love this recipe and want more amazing health hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Share this video with your friends and family and let's all get healthier together. Yes. Catch you next time on Be Healthy Daily for more fun and informative content. Keep smiling and stay healthy.